Hello again. Now this is your second Easter video for some free traffic. This one's I Love Traffic. It's I-lovetraffic.online. Here's my affiliate link right here, but you can just check the link in the description for the affiliate link. Now I got some new traffic just for code that's just put out today on Easter. But if you're new to the site, you also want to make sure you start out here with I Love Traffic. There are some promo codes have spaces, but some don't. This one does have spaces. I Love Traffic. And also I Love Banners if you're just joining. So I Love Traffic and I Love Banners, and you don't have to write it down right now. As soon as you join, you'll see this blue area once you log in, and it's right here. I Love Traffic and I Love Banners. Just look for the blue area. Okay, now the next promo code today is right here. Capital I, capital L, capital T, 90641. Okay, so that's the capital I, capital L, capital T, 90641. I like to keep this notepad thing open in case I need to write down notes, the promo codes and other things. This is where I also put my ads, because with some programs you can't save the ads, so I put it in a notepad like this, and this is what I'm promoting right now, so you can just copy paste from notepad. Okay, but right now this is what we got here. ILT 90641. And then these I Love Traffic and I Love Banners one. This one will come out Sunday or almost every Sunday with a new promo code. And it's good enough, about 350 credits. Here's the page, enter promo code page. It says voucher when you get over there, but it's the same thing. Promo code voucher is the same thing in this context. And like other sites that use this particular script, you go to the emails section. Right, to either send the email, save a new email. If you're gonna do it over and over, then I prefer saving the new email. We'll just go ahead and save a new email right here, my new one here. This particular script that this site uses as a mailer, you're allowed to use links within the body on this one. Some allow and some don't. But you don't have to memorize it necessarily when you can or cannot use that link within the body of the email, because if it doesn't allow you, then it'll just strip it out automatically, or it'll say take it out, or we won't send it unless you take it out. So right now I'm saving in this new email, and it does do the autocomplete once you've got it in it, so it becomes a little easier to save things or send things. Once it's saved, then of course then you just go to saved emails and you click use send. Available email credits 380, so I'll just send all of them right now and go ahead and click next and then click send mail. And we're done with that. So that's going to be how you do it. Now, make sure you subscribe because, I'm putting this out all the time. This site will consistently give you quite a bit of traffic if you look at the email history. You can see this is the one we just sent out seconds ago. All of them, they're giving you traffic. In fact, this has one of the best click-through rates of any mailer out there. So you will get traffic. So there you go. Subscribe because we'll be putting out a video on a regular basis with these weekly promo codes. You could check your email, but it's probably easier to just check my video channel here, the traffic stop channel, to get the new code. Happy Easter.